God bless you. Predestined Seed. We are cuevadelprofeta.com. This is the bread of life today. Hebrews 10:35. Cast not away therefore your confidence, which hath great recompense of reward. Listen now, the voice of God's prophet for this day.
That's where my faith is built on nothing less than the eternal Word of the eternal God. And God is no better than His Word. I'm no better than my Word, and you're no better than your Word. If I can't take your Word, then there's no need of me saying I have confidence in you, because I could not. And if you can't take my Word, there's no need of you telling me you have confidence, because you can. Then if we can't take God's Word, we can't have confidence. But when God has said it, and you believe it with all your heart that it's applied to you, it has to happen. And may I go on record just now saying this, that I believe that the right mental attitude toward any divine promise of God will bring it to pass. God will bring it to pass.
Shalom. If this video was a blessing for your life, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. God keep you, dear brother and sister.
Quiero amarte, Señor, y sentir la paz excelsa de tu amor. Quiero